Embarking on a journey toward healthy and natural weight loss requires a holistic approach that prioritizes well-being over quick fixes. In this informative video, we'll explore sustainable strategies for shedding excess weight while nourishing your body. From mindful eating to incorporating regular physical activity, we'll guide you through the steps to achieve lasting results without resorting to extreme measures. The foundation of healthy weight loss begins with mindful eating. We delve into the importance of being aware of what, when, and how much you eat. Mindful eating involves savoring each bite, paying attention to hunger and fullness cues, and fostering a positive relationship with food. By avoiding distractions during meals and listening to your body's signals, you can develop healthier eating habits that support weight loss in a sustainable way. Creating a calorie deficit is essential for weight loss, but it's equally crucial to prioritize balanced nutrition. We discuss the significance of incorporating a variety of nutrient-dense foods, including fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Balancing macronutrients ensures that your body receives the essential nutrients it needs for energy, metabolism, and overall well-being. Understanding portion sizes is key to managing calorie intake. We explore practical tips for portion control, such as using smaller plates, measuring servings, and paying attention to hunger and fullness cues. By becoming mindful of portion sizes, you can enjoy a variety of foods without overeating, facilitating healthy weight loss. Exercise is a cornerstone of a healthy weight loss journey. We discuss the benefits of both cardiovascular exercises, such as walking, jogging, or cycling, and strength training activities that build lean muscle mass. Regular physical activity not only burns calories but also boosts metabolism and supports overall well-being. Finding activities you enjoy ensures that exercise becomes a sustainable part of your lifestyle. Often overlooked, staying hydrated is crucial for supporting weight loss. We explore the role of water in promoting satiety, preventing overeating, and supporting metabolic functions. Drinking water before meals can help control appetite, and choosing water over sugary beverages reduces unnecessary calorie intake. Incorporating hydration habits into your daily routine contributes to overall health and aids in natural weight loss. Adequate and quality sleep is an often underestimated factor in weight loss. We discuss the connection between sleep deprivation and increased appetite, hormonal imbalances, and decreased metabolism. Prioritizing good sleep hygiene, creating a conducive sleep environment, and establishing consistent sleep patterns contribute to overall well-being and support healthy weight loss. Emotional well-being plays a crucial role in sustainable weight loss. We explore the relationship between emotions and eating habits, discussing strategies for managing stress, boredom, or emotional eating. Cultivating a positive mindset and finding alternative coping mechanisms contribute to a healthier relationship with food and support long-term weight management. In conclusion, achieving healthy and natural weight loss is a gradual and sustainable process that involves multiple lifestyle factors. From practicing mindful eating and maintaining balanced nutrition to incorporating regular physical activity, staying hydrated, getting quality sleep, and nurturing emotional well-being, these strategies work synergistically to support your journey toward a healthier weight. By embracing these principles, you can achieve lasting results while prioritizing your overall well-being. Stay tuned for more insights on fostering a healthy and balanced lifestyle.